Hey everybody, Grace here with Grace Yoga. A couple of weeks ago, I went to a women's retreat and it was absolutely wonderful. It was led by Mae Renfroe, and Bambi Lynn was one of the speakers there. And I'm doing this video so I can talk about one of the workshops that Bambi had done. She had us sit outside on the beautiful patio of this ranch house. We're sitting on this patio and we had a table, and the table had paints on it and paint brushes, and she gave us a box, and the box was just a plain wooden box, and so you can see my finished product here is all painted, but we got to use our creative skills and talents and just get into this very sacred space of meditation while we're painting and making our boxes just how we wanted them. And this was mine, and inside we had some things that we would put in the box that are special to us. One thing that was already included was a pearl, so we can think about a clam and what happens and how when a clam takes a grain of sand and creates a pearl, so that's in the treasure box. We also have a sea glass, which is glass in the sea that the edges have been smoothed out after the water has washed over it over and over and over again. And so we have some sea glass in there, which was something that Bambi also had given us. She gave us both the pearl and the sea glass. The last thing I put in here for myself was just a cute little flower, which I'll show. It's really pretty. Isn't that pretty? So I kept that in there. And then also the last thing that was included in the box was a note that one of the other women at the retreat had written, and they had put inside my box. And I do not know who wrote this, but it says, "Brave girly," just perfect for me. This was a wonderful and very meditative experience. For those of you who do know me, know that I'm a meditation guide, and meditation is my thing. And this was a great practice and helped to get in just a very nice mental space and to reflect on the things that are important to us and what are valuable about us as we were painting our boxes and making them beautiful in our own ways. So thank you. I just wanted to end with one of the cards that was also given to me at the end of the women's retreat, and it is a card that is written by also another woman that I don't know, but someone who is sharing and sending out a lot of beautiful messages. And this one says, I am created in God's image. And on the back there's a little handwritten note. It says, I reflect his beauty and grace. So how perfect is that? Grace. All right, you have a graceful day, everyone. Bye.